Hello everyone. So today the presentation is about the post market and pre-market. Why we call it pre-market is it's now in the midnight. So for tomorrow morning we are trying to predict it, but the accuracy will be on the higher side, somewhere around 70%. So as time goes on, you will understand it. So how we predict it and we important thing we want to give it. A matter of 5 minutes to start this give the post market and the pre market and also um, some some calls and what happened to our calls today as well. So that is the main agenda. So with this quickly we will move on, and basically we already checked it. So tomorrow probably the market is going to open, and looks like at least first 1 hour it's going to be down. So this is about our presentation. It will be very crisp, and we'll try to make it very unique. And irrespective of this market condition, we'll try to put some stocks which you can focus. And of course, investing should be fine, even with a stop loss. But if you are trying to do a day trading, please practice a stop loss which is somewhere around 1 to 2%. You expect 1%, have somewhere around 1.1 or 1, which is the best stop loss. So this has got nothing to do with the post market. So we'll just since the important point I want to tell it. So certain things which has to be repeated time and again. These are some of the products. So quickly, I don't want to explain this. Please, you can take a printout or pass and read it. So for higher quality, please try to watch it like this. With this straight, we'll go how we have predicted this one. So what's the market condition now? The European markets have ended in a significant down pattern, and as of now, it's around 1236. So this 1.8%. So probably, and SGX Nifty you can see here. So it is going to be down. So this is for today, and then we'll quickly for 30 seconds we'll see what happened to our call today. So this was the thing which was given today, and it did give a profit somewhere around 35 to 58 points, or even no profit, no loss. So exactly all the time points have been captured. So at this point, it enter the profit domain, and then here itself at the cost we have asked to do. So this is the kind of support we would try to give through the Twitter. So please try to follow, because making video in the live is little bit during the market time. It's a little bit difficult. So it's easy to post the Twitter. So with this quickly we will move on, and what happened to some of the calls which have already given, for example, 1 day ago. So if you see here, all these like at least 80% of the calls which were given for investing or trading, it performed really well. What I mean by really well is something like Bosch was 2% up, M&M around 2 to 3% up, Primal was 3% up, Eddington no loss no gain, it remained neutral, and Genser was down around 3%. Somewhere around 80% of the stocks were on the positive side and more than 1%, and then only 20% was less than 1 or 2%. So this is the take home. So that's where I put like we will try to fish out. So now with this, the post market, pre-market, pre-market is finished. So quickly, we have got 1 more minute. So we will just see. We'll just see the stocks which we can focus for tomorrow. So for this, we have to pull out the information from what happened today. So with this price and volume action and the top gainers, so it's better to focus on the large cap like this. So this is greater than 3000. So with this one, so which one we can focus for tomorrow trade is ONGC is slowly going up, so this can be focused on for tomorrow. And then of course Mahindra and Mahindra also can be focused for tomorrow, but the market is going to be down tomorrow, so have to be like after 10:30 something like that, this focusing. And beta is one thing you can focus irrespective of the market condition based on it price movement after 9:35. So and then Federal Bank little bit risky, but it's on the uptrend, so please be careful with this one. And Dr. Reddy's, it was a dividend time around going on, so it did react. And in the negative side, if you see here, like there is a news like big player like Adani coming, so that's why the Airtel was down today, and TCS results were margins were a little bit down, so that's why it has given significant downside around 5%, and along with it, it brought down the IT index, and also along with it, it brought down the other stocks as well. For example, the HCL and also the other things like Infosys and L&T Infotech. So this one you have to wait for the uptrend to pick up and then fish out. But Bharti Airtel, yeah, so around 5% again from here, you can start accumulating, so that or else you can wait for the uptrend, and definitely it's the profit predictions are with this company. So once downtrend is finished, so uptrend is starting, at that point of time you can think about entering. And for long term, if you want to enter like Bharti, it's a tough environment, but like somewhere around 30% or 20% you can start now. This is with respect to not trading but the investing. This trade we can go to the small cap, if at all, like small cap, please do not try to do intraday. So in the small cap, try to do buy and hold for 3 days or 1 week. So in this pattern, what we can focus is TTK healthcare is up, but somewhere um, around 3-4% if you get on the lower side, please get into this one. This is in the uptrend, so this hold this one, and we'll try to pick up one more here. So yeah, Karur Vysya Bank is kind of going to be, the dividend time is coming. And also this stock is available at a good rate, so it is making the good profit. So that's why the company is able to give dividend. So dividend times are coming, somewhere around 3% dividend is going to come. So if you can enter this one like tomorrow, on the investing side, again somewhere around 30%. So if the market falls, there is a strong support around 36, 40 and 36. So that's why you have to be careful, and then you can enter there as well. So with this, I think we can close this session, and I just want to quickly go through the news as well. So this part we have already discussed, and this has got nothing to do with this Elon Musk thing. But yeah, this kind of news like Twitter stock may react, but we don't have to worry about that. This we have already discussed about the TCS, and I think this would be enough for insights for trading tomorrow. So I think you don't have to have a Humpty number of news. This is advice, but if you follow the trend, and if you follow your stop losses, I think of course reading news does help you. But if you are like technically strong and technically disciplined, follow your chart patterns, like yeah, so you can bypass the news as well. So thank you very much, and we will make the same session in Tamil shortly.